Hello everybody and welcome to our video. I just wanted to make a few notes before we get to the actual room tour. Number one, this is the room tour only of room 4065, which is a water view at the Disney Yacht Club Resort. The full video of our entire resort only stay will be coming in the days ahead, so if you want to catch that, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Speaking of which, a huge thank you to our subscribers. We hit 294, I believe, as of today. So we're only 6 away from our goal of hitting 300, which is well ahead of our goal to hit 300 by the end of the summer. So thank you so much. Our stats show that you guys are the ones that keep coming back and watching our content. So we love having you along for this journey. Thank you so much. I also wanted to give a shout out to Shannon Ford's YouTube channel. We watched that. She had a little help by using the Touring Plans website to get some information. But Shannon does a great job of pointing out the best rooms to stay in each resort. And boy, was she on the money at the Yacht Club. We stayed in room 4065. It was an upgrade from a standard room. This is a water view room. In fact, you just saw it a second ago. It's a corner view on the 4th floor. It's relatively centrally located. It has a great view of the main lake. On the boardwalk there, you can see the Boardwalk Resort past the lake, and you also have a fantastic center view of the fireworks every night. And because it's a corner view, you have windows on two sides. You have the balcony at the back of the room, and then you have windows overlooking the rest of the resort on one side. You'll see in the video in a second. So it just was a spectacular room to stay in. I don't think we've ever had one that let that much light in, gave you that much of visibility onto the resort. We absolutely loved it. So yeah, huge shout out to Shannon. In her opinion, and we agree, it's the best resort. It's the best room, unless you have the money to spring for a suite. It's the best room you could probably stay in at Disney's Yacht Club. So we highly recommend it. It was fantastic. Check out the rest of her videos for the best room locations in different resorts. I think you'll be happy with what she has to recommend. All right, so enough blabbering from me. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching, and we will dive straight into the room tour. Again, this is room 4065. Oh, and I should point out, we did get a Disney discount. We got about 30% off, but our room rate per night for the room you're about to see was $523. So this still is very steep, but you get what you pay for. And in this case, we are very satisfied with what we paid for. So again, thanks for watching, and let's get on to the room tour. Okay, well, here we go. It's time for the room tour. Room 4065 at the Yacht Club. We were recommended this room from a YouTube video, and I'm blanking on the YouTuber who did it. I will find out and mention it later in this video, but yeah, wow, is what I had to say when we walked in. This room feels much more spacious than the room, certainly at Riverside. And I'm gonna head right back out as I usually do. Let me go check out the view, because one of the nice things about the deluxe resorts is you get a patio, and that's our view for the next couple of days. So that's Boardwalk across the lake, and out there you can just see Stormalong Bay a little bit, and then the fireworks, we're told you'll be able to see them right from here, and then you'll also be able to see the fireworks at Hollywood Studios, at least at Fantasmic on the lake. So pretty good view. And then you can just watch the boats go all day. It's raining here. It just started raining, coming down pretty good. There's a couple chairs out here. We're going to be doing some cocktails out here tonight. I'll tell you what. Nice big double pane glass. The other thing I like about this room is it's a corner room. So look at this view. From everywhere you are, inside this room, you've got a view. And there's another big window over here. Hello, McDonald family, Magical McDs. I love it. And then you're looking back here at the main Yacht Club building. Stormalong Bay off in the distance there. The Friendship boats to the theme parks right there at the lighthouse. So yeah, now let's talk about the room itself. With nice big king bed, that's nice. We had 2 queens last time. It'd be nice to have a bed with my wife. Lots of storage space underneath. I love the laminate floors. You know, it looks like a nice hardwood floor. It matches for the Yacht Club theme. Great desk. Love the lamp. Nice chair, and I think this is a pull-out. Yeah, so plenty of working space here. That pulls out, like when we're not gonna be doing work. The Amazon Alexa app, I'm not gonna say it because it just This AI does not get along with me for some reason, but this is in the room. I'll try playing with it later. Love the furniture. I love the curtains with the nautical charts on it, as though you're, you know, if you're out at sea, you need the stars to guide you. The furniture just looks like sea chests. It's so nice. I love the wallpaper, the backsplash, plenty of lighting in here. Nice big light on the top. I'd say it's a 55-inch TV maybe. And it looks smart to me, so you can run Netflix, Amazon, Disney Plus, what have you, YouTube. Nice big full-size couch with a big oversized coffee table. Again, I love the artwork. It all just fits the theme. It doesn't scream Disney per se. It definitely screams the theme of the resort. But it's classy, it's good, clean lines. The other thing I like about this too is we had read that the room combined the vanity with the water closet, but that's not true. Maybe that review was before it was refurbished, because the toilet is in with the shower. And what I like is, because we don't have kids, it's not a thing for us, there is a nice walk-in shower here. Love this. Combination handheld, rain shower, tub. I like the faux marble. Yeah, that'll work. This is really swanky. It just feels nice and luxurious. I think our rate here was in the mid-fives, about $540 a night with our annual pass discount. There is a cooler. It is not a refrigerator. It is a cooler, but it does say it will get drinks down to 41 degrees. So I thought that was pretty decent. It will not freeze anything though. And there's Molly. Elegance of Molly, hello.
She heard the bell services knock on the door.
Oh, did she? Well, we're just wrapping up our room tour here. I think I covered it all. It's a great view. It's a beautiful room. Amber, what do you have to say about it? What was your first impression?
Oh, I love it. Especially the views of...
Yeah, these views are top.
They're wonderful.
Notch. And like the furniture, it's just nice. And I feel like it's extremely spacious.
I agree. And
Yeah.
I love that we got a king room, because we did have, apparently with all rooms, you have the, not the option, but the, what word am I looking for? Like, it could either be a king, it could be two queens,
one queen and a sofa.
Twin?
That was weird. So I like our setup the best.
So there's a couple of options, but you can't really, you can only request what you get. So.
I forgot to show off. There is a pull-out ironing board here and a safe should you need it. And obviously a steam iron. Nice touch. So we're thrilled. Just 2 nights here. After swimming in the pool, Amber's already saying this she wants this to be her main resort.
You know, something I really love about this resort too is, did you see the
constellations? Yeah.
Yeah, did you point those out?
Absolutely.
They look so cool. I love it.
And then back to this view. And I like how it's like a porthole, basically. So this will be a nice view tonight. Having a few drinks out here, taking in the boardwalk. You can see the Swan and Dolphin Hotel over there. So we're not bothered that it's raining, because I think we're going to stay under the roof of the hotel tonight, have a few drinks, get some dinner, watch a movie, watch the fireworks, and chill the hell out. So one of the other things I love about our room is, we're up on the 4th floor right now where our room is. This is the elevator. Let me show you how close we are. It's just around this corner, and we're at the end of the hall here on the right. So that's how close we are to the elevator. The other thing I like about it, as you see from the room tour, we have exterior windows facing this direction. So this is a staircase that if you get to the bottom floor, it takes you right outside onto the boardwalk. So we obviously don't walk those stairs, we take the elevator. And then on the 1st floor, there's a similar door. We just walk out that. We're on the boardwalk so Molly can do her business. It's super convenient. And then obviously, since we're back here, we have no neighbors. Well, once again, thank you for watching our video and coming to our channel. Again, the whole video, the resort-only stay, 2 entire days at Yacht Club, where we try and do everything, especially a thorough swim and review of Stormalong Bay, which is the amazing pool here at the resort. Be sure either to subscribe or to look out for that in the days ahead. We're working on that, editing it. There's a lot of footage to get through. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you're new to the channel, as we always say at the end, have fun storming the castle, and stay magical. We'll see you next time.